The associates at the Waterford site are highly involved in supporting the local community in many different areas, from primary, second and third level.
I've been involved in helping the after-school robotics class with a robotics set and helping those kids learn how to do some robotics and participate in competition.
Together with the Red Hat Cares, we have distributed €6,000 towards STEM projects in our community's primary schools.
The open source mindset, right, that we bring to our community, for me, is taking the 10-year-old who says, I have an idea, and taking it and just nurturing it to the best that we can do to bring it along, whatever it might be, because that's the power of open, right?
To give that back, to kind of cycle it out into the community, that has a wide impact across the whole city and county.
What we do matters.
What we do matters.
What we do matters.